Hello guys, I'm so excited today because I go to a DHL point to pick up a package, and that package is my gift from DJI. DJI surprised me and they sent me brand new DJI Avata 2 after my last hard crash. This is fucked up, people. This is really fucked up. I'm so tired now. And why? And exactly, I hit the tree like when I do the power loop, like poof, and it's fly away like this, and I don't see nothing more.
This is how this happened. This is how this happened.
And they sent me brand new DJI Avata 2 after my last hard crash by the refresh, and that happened just today. I received the package today, just for my birthday. That's really wow. And I think whole process took this time because that happened before as well. That's not my first crash. Whole process took like I think 1 week. Thank you so much, DJI. Alright guys, it happened. I have my package now home. Sent it by DJI with the DHL Express to me, DHL Express. I get it like in the 2 days to Sweden from France. Let's open it. What do we have inside? Inside we have really nice packet. A new box with a brand new. No way. What's this? I get two? No. Oh, this is something else. I don't know what's inside. Anyway, they sent me, DJI sent me a brand new DJI Avata 2 after my hard crash. Yeah, brand new, real nice packet. But why they send me 2 boxes? I don't know what's inside this one. We'll wait with this one. Anyway, let's open it. I opened this last time. Out of plastic. Can leave plastic somewhere there. Clean up later. Alright. There's another security. I will just cut this. Do it faster. What do we have inside? Inside we have a new Avata 2 drone. Wonderful. So I think whole process, if I remember from the crash, I totally destroyed my drone. To that moment now, it took not even 2 weeks, I think. Wow. Well, everything new. This is like, oh, nice feeling after that long time of waiting. What do we have here? And yeah, they don't send by refresh. They don't send you a new battery. You just get a new drone. This is a drone replacement. Anyway, my battery survived, so I don't need it. Let's check this one. Yeah, this is a plastic cover for lens. Remove this as well. Nice clean. Anyway, it's good to clean it. Here we have more stickers. We have to remove all of them. Oh, some more stickers everywhere. Yeah, here is one more. And on the last Avata 2, that sticker. Yeah, this one go away. Nice. Last time some glue left here. Let's see a slot. It works. Yeah, I think it's perfect. It's just it's just a brand new drone. So what could be wrong? Okay, here I have batteries already charged. So let's put this in. We'll see if the drone works. Of course it works. Yeah, now we have to just connect this to DJI app. I will do it through my laptop, update it, because the last time when I connect just straight from the box Avata to like my Avata 1 before, nothing works. I couldn't update this. That's because I use, even for this drone, I don't use the new goggles. I have still DJI Integra goggles, so that's why maybe that was the reason why I have to update this through PC. Right, I'm so curious. Let's see what's in this box. Probably they just sent me the box. They sent me the old box.